Hi there, in next video about Google Spreadsheets, and in this video we learn about topic conditional formatting. If you have to highlight some cells in different colors with using some conditionals, then it's for you. So in previous lesson we filter free our employee. Let's come back and select all our employee. If you didn't see a previous lesson about Google Sheets, I offer you to go to description below the video and link to the playlist of video about this service. And now let's try to do some conditionals. For example, I highlight this cell, press right click to context menu, view more cells and conditional formatting. And as a default, we have a green color in that cell. It means if B2 not empty, then we highlight it in a green color. We can agree with this and we have the same this information. And I can pull down this rule for then employees and all these cells with information. That's why they all green. If I delete some of them and this information was deleted, I come back with using Command Z or Control Z on our keyboard, but let's delete. We need another rule. For example, we want to separate our employees by the salary. Who have salary more than 2000, they have green color. People who have salary between, for example, 1000 and 2000 or less than 2000. So let's try do it. B greater than 2000, then green, and we have one rule. We see that this cell not greater more than 2000, that's why it's only white. Add another rule. If B2 less than 2000, then yellow. Done. And another rule, maybe some of our employees don't have any salary and don't earn any money for some period, then for example is equal to 0, then highlight it red. Done. And I pull it down for all our employees and we can see the right information. But for example, this employee still don't earn any money, and I specifically to show you that some problem, because if you can see first rule, we see on that cell it's bigger than 2000. No, then we go to the next rule. It's less than 2000. Yes, it's less, and we change our color. But if we move that rule with using this point and move it to this position, then we can check the information firstly with using this rule. And we can check some information in another rule. So it's working good and work correctly now. So thank you for watching. If it's helped you, press like, subscribe to the channel and go to the next video.